how to mass delete all emails on your Gmail. So firstly, open your Gmail account, and once you are here, open, for example, promotions, and we want to select all the emails. Click on this little square to select. All 52 conversations on this page are selected, but we want to click on this, which will select all conversations in this promotions area. Simply click it. Now about 500 conversations are selected, and simply click on delete, and it will mass remove all emails. Click on delete, click on OK. But it says down here that we will do the same for any remaining conversation in a few minutes. This might take longer depending on how many conversations have been selected. So take a break and it will remove all the emails. If you find it very helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.